Hello, my name is Matt Henderson. I am the president of RxHearing. We're excited to announce a new partnership with Drugstore to Door, where we're offering our award-winning hearing care services to our pharmacy partners, enabling them to offer affordable and accessible hearing aid solutions and hearing care services. RxHearing, we're based in Clearwater, Florida. We've been in business for over 6 years. We have a team of audiologists on staff, and we're in over 200 locations across the US where they're experiencing increased revenues, in some cases over $2,500 per month. They're generating new foot traffic and offering a new clinical service, a value-added service to their patient community. With Drugstore to Door, we're offering a great promotion that's going to run through Labor Day weekend, where our solution is free for you to launch at your location, as well as offering a membership program where we're offering you a free hearing aid, our Audix IQ, that has a value of $720. You can sign up through our registration page, which you can see here with the URL. If you scroll down, you can see what your margins would be on a per sale basis with the professional hearing aids that we are offering through our partner locations. You can sell online, you can sell in store, and we provide all the customer support to help our pharmacies be successful, in addition to training, onboarding, video modules, access to our audiologists for a certification that would help your staff have more insights with offering more information about the importance of hearing care. You can schedule a free demo with our team, but you can see the list of services here through our Drugstore to Door registration page and our promotion. That's a free program, as well as our membership program with the free Audix IQ Bluetooth streaming hearing aids. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team at RxHearing or the Drugstore to Door team, and we'll make sure that we answer all your questions. But we're very excited about this program and our partnership with Drugstore to Door, and we look forward to working with you and your patient community. Thank you.